Good morning. It is the morning that we are supposed to disembark, and we still are. However, because we're doing the back-to-back, we get to come right back on in just a couple hours, which is awesome. And this morning, I am so grateful that we have second seating for dinner, because that means we have second seating for breakfast. So we have breakfast at 8 a.m. instead of 6:45, because that is just not happening for me.
As much as sometimes I feel like, oh, I might like early dining, I do not want early breakfast on the day to get off the ship. Now, when we get off the ship, we do have to go through customs and all that, and then turn around, come back into the terminal, and wait until 11 when they let us on the ship. Once they let us on the ship, we're crossing our fingers that our room will already be ready, and we're gonna go up to the funnel suite. Of course, we're gonna do a room tour, and then we are going to do a few other room tours around the ship, and we're just gonna party in the funnel suite for the next 3 days. Since this is where we had dinner last night, we are back for breakfast this morning. We're just grabbing a quick breakfast this morning before we get off the ship. Alyssa got some fresh fruit as well as some regular waffles. I decided to get the blueberry waffles and some bacon. We're gonna eat this pretty quick and then head out into the terminal. So now we head off with everyone else and go through customs. But we'll be back soon. This terminal still brought to you by Disney Plus, apparently. The whole place. So apparently James Cameron is doing a Nat Geo special with Benedict Cumberbatch narrating, all about animals. I wonder if there's any penguins involved. We don't have to test to get back on the ship, but as they're working on clearing the ship of all the current guests, they told us to come over here and wait out in this tent. And as soon as the ship is cleared and they're able to start letting people back on, they will come and get us. And we all just hang out here and wait now, so shouldn't be too long. And up here in the terminal, we're just kind of waiting until they call us to go over. They said it'll be around 11 o'clock. So about an hour, we're gonna be in the back-to-back waiting area. Just the seating off to the side here, waiting with the other, I don't know, 100 people maybe that are back-to-back on this sailing. We bought the picture package for this sailing too, so may as well get some more before we get back on board while we're waiting. You can come out here on the little balcony and get a good picture with the Wish behind you too.
Right here?
Good spot.
What?
They're welcoming us back, but no welcome show, no magic wands, none of that stuff, but that's okay. I'm good with that. First one's on the ship. Time to do our safety drill thing and get started, and just gotta go scan the Assembly Station W, which down here in Worlds of Marvel, they're like all just lined up, so that works. Try getting a little closer. Oh, we got it. Scan complete.
Okay.
We good.
Up here on the concierge lounge deck, no one's out here right now. I think everyone's waiting for their room to be ready and just enjoying the snacks inside. This is a really great time to just come and literally have the whole place to yourself. All right, we are here waiting for someone to escort us up to the funnel suite. Very fancy, very VIP.
Yeah, now that they have the keys outside the door, you have to have it to, get in the room, but we can't get to the door to get the key because you have a secret elevator that has a key card, and so they're gonna come let us up there to get our key cards, and then we'll be able to access the room anytime we want without an escort. But I'm sure if we asked, they probably would escort us up there again because we fancy in the funnel. So we are here on deck 10, heading down the hallway towards our secret elevator, our private elevator.
It's a secret.
It's not a secret
Not a
anymore.
secret anymore,
We just made this
no.
video.
That's our
Private.
Private.
It's so
Private.
fancy. Ooh. Key card access only.
Oh, there's another elevator.
All right, push a button. Let's do it. So it looks like we've got a staircase here that goes down to 12. If you really want to take the stairs, it just keeps going, but I'm not going to go all the way down there. I'm going to behind us.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, holy cow.
I would be excited to run in.
This place is
Ooh.
nuts.
What
Cheese
is
tray.
that, a kitchen?
That's a kitchenette, maybe? Okay, this is...
I
Moana.
love this statue so much. This is beautiful.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, we fancy.
You can.
We're so
If
fancy.
you want to stop it off, you just tap it again.
Fancy television.
I was going to say, do I get to watch a Clemson ball game tomorrow?
Ah,
So this is
so it's on the
like-
main floor.
Yes.
We've been here for like 30 minutes and we're still looking at the room. There are
Thing is
little things
crazy.
everywhere.
You've got to watch the entire room tour. I don't want to put it all here in the vlog. I'm sure it's going to be very long, but go check it out. It's linked in the description. This room is insane. This is the welcome letter that we have, and a lot of it's the same as the other concierge rooms, but At the bottom, there's some extra stuff for the funnel suite. You can actually order Palo to the room for whatever the price is on the menu in Palo. There's no additional charge for delivery, so that's pretty cool. And then everyone in the room does get the premium internet package, the highest package that they offer here on the ship.
Robert is doing some room tours, so Mom, Dad, and I came to get some lunch and just explore the ship while he's doing that. Mom got a burrito bowl from Donald's Cantina, and Dad got some fries and a burger from Goofy's Grill.
So in between room tours, I'm quickly stopping here in Senses Spa to book Alyssa a surprise pedicure over at Untangled. She doesn't know it yet. She'll find out either when she sees it in the app or when I tell her at dinner tonight. Well, this is actually kind of a cool place to watch a storm. In the suite, wow. It's a crazy storm blowing through.
Well, I was very much surprised and confused when this showed up in the funnel suite. Robert ordered a cake.
Yeah, that was all me. We wanted to tell a few of our friends who didn't know yet, so this was a fun way to tell them here at the funnel and kind of a little party. So here on deck 10, you've got the private elevator entrance, just like the one over on 12. Pua and Hey Hey are there, and I noticed this. The elevator has the Moana theme on the little screen. Even the arrow is her little oar. Really cool attention to detail. So it is still raining at time of sail away. They're doing sail away. So we just barely missed sail away. They brought it inside, a little bit of a modified version, but still looks like a lot of people came out for it. Now that sail away is over, we're heading into the fitness center for the raffle. Once again, we're hoping to win a spa gift card or something. A little bit busy in here. So here at the raffle, they're offering the manager's special, just like they did on the last cruise. It's honestly not a bad deal for what all you get, considering how much this regular massage normally is. Kind of tempted to try this.
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna give away a couple of prizes, which is money that you can use it in the spa, and then you're gonna pretend you're happy. Then we're gonna give another prize, and then you pretend you're happy, like now. Yes. Anyone here from deck 10? Nice. Yes, it's deck 11. Have 11010. We have any Linda in the house? 11010, Linda. 8582, Sarah. 9061.
We had a lot of fun having a very big party in the funnel suite with tons of people. Some we knew, some we didn't know, but it was a lot of fun. Our friend who was staying in the funnel arranged all of it, had a ton of food for everyone. It was snacky food, but it was a lot of it.
There was so much. It was a blast though. We hung out there just kind of enjoying that. Ran down for the spa raffle that we once again didn't win, and then went back up there to hang out for a little while longer. Now we're heading over to the Walt Disney Theater once again for Seize the Adventure. We just love this little show. It's just 30 minutes, but it's super cute. And because we're concierge with the suite, we get free popcorn, so we're gonna stop at Preludes and grab that on the way in. Once again, we love that show, and now we're taking some pictures here in the Grand Hall.
From our entertainment team, Cinderella! Hello, everyone! Boom to you! How are we all doing today? Are you ready to play Who's Behind That Curtain? Tonight, we will reveal our very special Disney celebrity guests. You have to focus and which Disney celebrity guests we have behind here. Now, all you gotta do is ask 10 yes or no questions in order to reveal our Disney special guest. Are you ready? Now, I would need a volunteer from the house. Any volunteers? Come on right up here. You will be asked yes or no questions about our Disney celebrity guests and what Halloween attire they're wearing this year. Are you ready? For example, I'll give you an example. You can ask, is this celebrity guest, are these celebrity guests wearing a hat? And I will say yes or no. Now, do you have any questions? Yeah. Well, that will count as one question. Are you ready to ask your question? All right, Grandma, are you ready? Let's begin. What is your first question, Minnie? Is the character an animal? Is our Disney celebrity an animal? Yes, it is. That's question number one. What is your next question? Is it yellow? Is it yellow? Well, we do. One of our Disney friends have yellow on them. Next question. Are they sisters? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are we getting them? Are we focusing more on that? Yes. Focus. Which sisters are in the focus? What is it? And you ask, is it the Sanderson sisters? Is it the Sanderson sisters? Come this way. It is the Sanderson sisters. Well, let's get it away for our celebrity
For now, we are going to Arendelle for dinner. We love this show. We did not want to miss it, so we made sure we are on time. Don't want to miss any of the singing, the show, all of it.
The Royal Kindred Trio!
They'll be actual real-life people. They don't need to strange. But while I so ready for this change, and for the first time in forever, if music they'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing
tonight I started off with Anna's cold board once again because I enjoyed it so much on the last cruise. It was just as good tonight and I ate the entire thing.
And I was really happy last time with the puff pastry scallops, so I got those again. And they were good, so I think the first time that we had them, they weren't that great. It was just a fluke because the last 2 times have been really nice.
And then for my entree, I actually ordered off the kids menu tonight. Went a little different here. I actually got the grilled shrimp and the sirloin steak with a side of veggies and french fries. This was really good. I know it's not as fancy as the adult meals, but sometimes you just want something very simple.
And then once again, I got the mixed field green salad before my dinner because it was so good last time. And then for dinner, I got something a little different. I decided to get the ribeye, which is really honestly prime rib. It's not quite listed that way, but it's cooked like a prime rib. So juicy, it was delicious. I'm really happy I got this, but it was a huge piece of beef, and that twice baked potato was amazing. And then we did stick around for dessert this time. I got myself the butter cake once again, like I did on the maiden voyage. It's the best thing on the menu in my opinion. And now we are absolutely exhausted. Embarkation days are always a lot for us with all the room tours that we do and everything. And today was a little bit extra with the funnel suite to do, and we had a big party in there with a bunch of friends, so we're kind of wiped out. I think we're going to head back to the room instead of doing any of the karaoke or anything like that tonight, and just try to get some rest for our big day tomorrow. It is Nassau Day tomorrow, but we're not planning to get off the ship. We're doing stuff on the ship instead.
It's a cute little teddy bear.
I
kitty
love
cat?
the towel art. I'm going to go with teddy bear because the way it's sitting, if it was a kitty cat, it'd be like on all fours, right?
That's fair, yeah.
I don't know. We got chocolate, though. Same chocolate everyone else gets. Look at that. It's not any fancier. But I'm okay with that because it's really good chocolate.